Hi, Sai here from Music Radar. We're at NAMM 2020. Can't believe I'm saying that. It's mind-blowing. We're with Nord today in the lovely Hilton Suite here. This is Matt. Hi, Matt. Of course, you're showing us Wave 2, your latest release for this year.
Yep.
There's a lot to go through.
There is.
I'm sure a lot of people will be mostly wanting to hear what it sounds like before we dive in. So if you wouldn't mind, before we start talking about all the new stuff, could you give us a quick demo of some of the nice things you can get out of this
Absolutely.
beautiful thing? Awesome, sounds huge. So, you guys kind of tout this as 4 synths in one. Tell us a bit kind of the architecture of what's going on.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so Wave 2 is 4-part. It's 48 voice, comes with a 61 key semi-weighted action. So yeah, like you say, it's effectively 4 synths in one. So here in the heart of the keyboard, the layer control, you can see that we can control the volume of each layer using the faders. This can of course all be morphed and controlled with either velocity, wheel, pedal, or aftertouch. And on each of these layers, we access an enhanced and expanded set of oscillators. So Nord's incredible analog synthesis, which we all know and love, including FM, wavetable, extended wave synths, and access to the sample library.
Cool.
So this can all be edited individually, so each of the layers can be controlled with all the envelope shaping and effects, or you can group it all together and edit it all as one, which makes it
That's
really,
nice and quick.
really
Yeah,
quick
good.
and simple. You can, of course, layer and split and apply effects, arpeggiators and shaping to all of those. So it's a really exciting blend of synthesis and sample playback. It's a synthesizer, it's a sample playback keyboard, and it's everything in between.
Yeah, and performance is very much clearly at its heart. It's designed to be as
Absolutely.
quickly and as intuitive as well,
Intuitive,
right?
yeah. And I mean, any Nord user will know that, but the whole thing is designed to be easy access, tweak on the fly, some really powerful effects and processing in here, but it's all hands-on.
Yeah, okay. Is there any kind of new tech that's in this that hasn't been used or deployed in any other Nord product yet?
Yeah, well, there's a few new things which are really exciting. So over here in the arpeggiator, we've got a polyphonic trigger mode, a rhythmic gate mode, and the ability to access patterns. Presets are obviously on board, but you can also customize your own. So you can create your own stereo patterns for your arpeggiator and customize the length of those. Very cool. Over in the effects section, we've got an advanced delay. This has effects for the feedback loop, so you can add a vibe, chorus, or ensemble effect for your feedback loop, along with the feedback filters. A new bright and dark mode on the reverb, a massive sounding cathedral verb, and a choral effect.
Oh, nice, yeah, cool. So, keyboard-wise, what are we using here?
So it's 61 keys, it's semi-weighted.
Uh-huh.
It's the same as in the Electro 6.
Right, okay.
And it feels 6D, and it feels incredible to play. So, the performance and playing experience is really enhanced. It feels amazing.
Oh, good.
And along with being able to obviously access the Nord sample library, you can also create your own custom samples. And that's one of the really exciting things about the Wave. It's incredibly easy to create your own samples and then combine those, tweak those, all the editing power of the Wave you can use to shape your own custom sounds, meaning it's incredibly versatile.
Yeah. So, sample editing here, we're kind of moving over to what you've got going over on the MacBook over there.
Yeah. Well, this is the new Sample Editor 3. And it has been designed to make creating samples incredibly quick and easy. Now, of course, you can drop multiple samples in and you can map those yourself. But I'll just show you one new feature, which is really great. So over here, I've got a synth multi-sample. It's like a little keys patch that I've just exported out a few different pitches from Ableton. If I just drag and drop, you'll see it automatically detects pitch and it's mapped it to the relevant place on the keyboard. Now all I need to do is hit save and transfer to Nord and connect it up via a USB cable. And in a matter of seconds, that sound is now available to select in my oscillators. Here we go. So here's the raw sample, which is now playable. But of course I can tweak that, I can shape that. So I can add some massive reverb, I can use my effects section, let's put some ensemble on it, I can add a delay, I can shape the envelope. And of course, I can layer that up with up to 4 different layers here and split it and do some really creative things.
Build more stuff. So with regards to kind of memory on board, how much can you sort of store on here?
You've got 1 gigabyte of memory for the sample library.
And that's user sort of sample space?
Well, user or Nord sample library.
All right, so you can swap in and out. Yeah, so that's quite easy to do. Oh, great.
Yeah.
And sample editor, will it be coming free? Or is that something?
Yeah. No, it's a free download. It's out now. Users can download it. In addition to that, Nord just released a new sample library of orchestral sounds.
Oh, cool. Right.
Released today, in fact. And again, totally free. Go to the Nord website, download them. So that's orchestral samples from Symphobia by Project Sam. Yeah. And they sound incredible. They'll be shipping in the Nord Wave 2.
Okay, so they'll be in the box, as it were.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant. Talking of shipping, when's that going to be happening for customers?
Spring 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have a price?
TBC.
TBC, that classic TBC.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Matt, for showing us the Nord Wave 2. We can't wait to get one ourselves and have a look, a closer look. So we'll look forward to that. So thank you very much. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share wherever you're seeing this video right now. And make sure you hit up musicradar.com for the latest NAMM 2020 news as we get it. So we'll see you soon. Cheers.